Hello students, I am Mrs. Jaya Sharma, Assistant Professor at Graduate School College for Women, BA Department. Hope you are fine during this crucial time. I have given number of lectures in the form of videos and PDF, which can be seen on YouTube and WhatsApp group. I am sure that all of you have seen my all lectures. I am also very much hopeful that you are learning through electronic mode lessons. If you have any doubt and any query, you may ask through my WhatsApp number and even you can call me. I am always ready to clear your doubt regarding my class. Today I am giving you revision class. Now today's topic is meaning and concept of art. Meaning and concept of art. A philosophy dealing with the nature of beauty and art and taste. The creation and appreciation of beauty, the judgment of sentiment and taste, critical reflection on art, culture and nature. Now the discuss about the developing definition of art. Art is difficult word to define. It is a product or process of deliberately arranging symbolic of elements in a way that influence and affects the sense, emotions and intellect. It also says that the word art was traditionally used skill or mastery but later as an intention to simulate thoughts and emotions. So that discuss about the art. Art is a diverse range of human activities. Every human activities is the art. In creating visual, auditory or performing artifacts, art work, expressing the author's imaginative skill intended to be appreciated for their beauty or emotional power. Other activities related to the production of works of art include that criticism of art, the study of the history of art and aesthetics, dissemination यानी कि clarification needed of art. Now the discuss about the topic. This is a classification of art. The three classical branches of art are painting, sculpture and architecture. Performing arts are music, theatres, film, dance and other performing arts, as well as literature and other media such as interactive media are included in a broader definition of the art. So, this is the meaning and concept of art. So, it will be, I think, it will be clear to you uh, very smoothly, and you have to learn and if any doubt you will call me. Thank you.